indulgers, and welcome back to part 2 of our cooking experience at LaZat Cooking in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. In this vlog, we're going to take you guys along as we are taught by our instructors how to prepare a Malaysian Indian fusion dish called Mee Goreng Mamak. This noodle dish is definitely one of our favorites now that we are back home. We've made it a few times, and I hope that you can follow along the recipe as well and try it in your own respective homes. We dived right into getting our ingredients ready for the dish, starting by chopping my shallots, then garlic, followed by some bok choy tomato and fried hard tofu.
Flat or yeah, okay. This is nice.
Cut your tomatoes and wedges.
Okay, so just like that.
Yes. That's too thin. See, it's breaking already. A little bit thicker. Thicker a bit. Yeah, it's too thin. Because when you put it in the pan, you stir fry, everything will break into pieces.
Weird bok choy too.
Okay.
I love bok choy.
I will mix everything inside my liquid.
Okay. Oh, I see you bring sauce.
I will need quite a bit of liquid just one.
Want to come here?
Your sauces together?
All my sauces together in water. Why you need water is you don't want to burn your pan.
Okay.
So that was the dark sauce, the thin sauce. This is the oyster sauce. Do you use a lot of oyster sauce in your cooking?
Yes.
It's very, very flavoring. It's a nice flavor.
Well, just
And fish sauce.
when we do Asian dishes.
And hosan.
Otherwise not.
You must, sorry?
We just do it for Asian dishes.
Yes.
Otherwise not.
A little bit of tomato sauce.
Ketchup?
Sorry?
Tomato ketchup?
Tomato ketchup.
Okay.
So you will get the recipes 3 days after in your email. You just experience it.
Sure.
This is the palm sugar.
Yeah, so thick.
So thick. And this we add a little bit of cornstarch.
Okay.
This is just to, I think, to give it a little bit of a
Thickness?
make it sticky. Yeah, it's a thickening sauce. Yeah.
Yep.
Thickening agent. And the salt. Actually, the salt. I mean, it's you can put it now or later. I'll just put it in. So okay, this is ready. And because it's very fast, you need to make sure that your egg. You don't want to be like cooking and then it's burning. Then you go and get your egg and all that. Just get your egg cracked.
Sure.
Okay. Plus your bean sprouts.
And that is
That's
Ginger.
no
Shrimp?
shrimp paste.
Oh,
No,
shrimp
not
powder?
paste, shrimp powder.
oh, so
Nice.
Like this, you know,
Yeah.
two different forms. I think. All right. So where's my oil? Very, very fast. So everything needs to be on standby. 2.5 tablespoon of oil. Because it might just stick to the side, you want to do this. So the pan is already covered with oil. Again, if you want to know whether it's hot enough, just add in or use a skewer, use the wooden. So you know which burns faster, garlic or shallots?
garlic.
Okay, so put in the shallots first. You don't have red onions, I think, in Switzerland. You do? I thought it's mostly yellow.
No, we have all kinds.
You have everything.
Yeah, onions, steak roll,
Okay, after shallots, garlic, you want to fry your chili.
Oh,
Okay.
So you may want to just put a little bit. But the
Okay.
color will be different because the chili will add more.
That's a chili paste.
No, not yeah. It's already it's chili, the red chili.
Yeah.
Yeah, we boil it and we blend it.
Oh, it's boiled
So we
first.
use a lot, so it's always ever ready in the fridge.
So you boil it first, then you blend it into a paste?
Yes.
Okay. Interesting.
Well, this if we use this, we boil. Because this
Oh, it's dried chili that you boil. Yes, okay.
if it's fresh, you don't need to boil.
Sure, sure.
oh. Okay, okay.
So it's something the Indians like to do too. Smells good already.
So this is Indian style because
Yep.
it's mamak. But if you want to go for Chinese noodle, it's called char kway teow.
Oh yes.
Yeah, you should do that.
With that really nice char taste, the wok
Yes,
taste.
yeah.
I love it.
Did you get to try that?
Yes,
Tonight, char kway teow?
I think so. It tastes like smoke.
Yeah.
Yeah,
yeah,
that
yeah.
smokiness
Yeah, yeah,
is really
yeah.
nice.
It's
It's usually flat rice noodles.
It's fresh.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yes, those, yes.
I prefer that one actually.
It's one of my favorites too.
Now everybody's going to start talking. Chili
know,
is
right? Chili, right.
The chili, yeah.
Right now.
It looks bitter already.
It does.
Peeled, right?
Sorry?
Peeled.
Peeled, yeah. So you know how to tell when it's cooked or not cooked, right?
Yeah.
This one is still translucent, just
Okay, we started.
smell.
The chili is getting there.
It's an option. You know, you want to put it on. You can put it anytime you want.
Oh, just one.
This one, yeah. You don't need to over this. It's just to give it a kick.
That
So now the
saltiness.
smell is really different.
Yeah.
Okay, so now
Like anchovies or something.
yeah,
Yeah.
like anchovy, yeah. So put it on.
Noodles.
You got it. In fact, the fish paste, we'll get some
Because
in
you
moment.
don't want it to
So you can
stick
take
to
it.
the side, you pour half of the liquid.
Yeah, okay.
She likes noodles, yeah? Kali, yeah. As in kulunke. Why not? Salmon wok kakanga, like it makes such a difference. The wok that you use. The taste gives off is really different.
Do they use a lot of MSG here in
Some people still do.
Yeah.
I think at one point, I think the whole world went crazy, like no MSG.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But now they're saying it's okay.
yeah, I know.
There's a little bit of MSG in everything.
It's like
Because of that, I
eggs.
think people started.
Now they're okay.
Yeah. No, tomorrow they'll tell us something different.
You know it, yeah.
And when you stir, you don't want to break the noodles. You just stir from the
Okay.
bottom.
Okay, yeah. Look at that, nice.
It's got a nice sauce in there.
I like this one.
You like it?
Yeah, it smells so good.
It's probably the dried shrimp and this one to add the. So when you go to a Mamak store and you ask for Mee Mamak, it may not taste like this. Some of them they already boil they use like beef stock.
Okay.
No, it's different style. So then you can see bits and pieces of
The meat.
meat. And
Okay.
And this looks fresh.
Yeah, when you do it yourself, it's different.
so we put this in. Bean sprout.
Yum. I love
The bean
bean
sprout
sprouts.
takes very little time to cook.
I've got 1 bar of battery left.
Yeah, I like these.
Yeah.
And last but not least, your egg. Push it to the side.
Okay.
Just let it scramble. And then bring this over.
Okay. Learning some new techniques. Cotton sauce is na akwai gishiri ciki su soya da oyster. Amma shi ka kare naka kenan. You need to. But I think it should be alright. It smells so good. Can you smell that wok smell?
And then I think that's
And done.
Beautiful.
It's okay?
maybe a little too much for me.
Okay. And just use a little bit. Okay.
I do it differently. I don't take chili paste. I put one
sure.
piece in, go on.
Oh my god.
Let's go on to your station.
So good.
Up next, it's time for us to put what we just learned to the test by preparing the dish ourselves.
Thank you.
So what was what's in there? And then all the different sauces.
Yeah, I think so. She put it in a water thing.
Oh, right, in the water. Oh, right.
Put in your shrimp.
Go put in the shrimp first.
Yeah, put in the shrimp. Did you put in the shrimp?
Yes, yes.
Put in already?
Yes, I put that in. And
No, not yet.
Salt now? Not
One.
yet.
Thank you.
And then the shrimp. And then the shrimp. Okay. I hope I remember everything you did here, all this stuff. Wow.
Okay, makan. Let's go. Bismillah. Makan time. Makan time. Amazing. Can't wait to try it. Are you coming closer so you can see it?
You can make
After all our labor, we sat down to dig into our noodles. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and if you did in any capacity, please comment, like and share, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out and lets YouTube know to push my videos to viewers like yourself. You can find all the details in regards to booking your cooking class with LaZat Cooking in the description of this video. And don't forget to check out part 1 of our vlog to view how we prepared these two delicious dishes.